Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 7 Series. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, heads-up display, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, touch-sensitive controls.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.